I've been looking forward to playing Candyland for a whole day. How are you? Are you ready to play Candyland?
There's only one.
There's only one what? There's only one piece?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see that. It's yellow.
My hair is yellow.
All right, you can have that one. But what will I have?
No, you can have this one. I want a pony.
Pony? All right. Fine.
Me go first.
Green. One green. You get to go to the green.
What is the one?
No, it's my turn.
Why's my mouth came already?
Ah, 2 orange.
That means
Yes, help me move, yes. I'm ahead now. Oh,
I think I just messed up the game.
that's all right. Keep going. Don't worry.
Okay. Need one green. Okay.
All right. Let's see. Oh,
You just messed up the game.
oh, 1 blue.
You only get to go. You only get to go there.
That's fine. Thank you for moving my character.
Done.
What? I thought that was too far.
I thought that was slow.
Take your turn.
Mom. No. No.
Does it taste like paper?
It tastes like yumminess.
You are goofy.
No, Goofy! Goofy. I love Goofy. He's in Mickey Mouse.
What color do you have?
I moved.
2 orange.
So I already moved.
My turn.